Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Mashup Travels. As we all know, pilof is a national dish of Uzbekistan, and every region of Central Asia a different version of pilof. I decided to taste the pilof in every city of Uzbekistan I travel to. You have already seen me taste the Uzbek pilof in Samarkand, and now I am in Bukhara, and I thought I will take you along with me to one of a very authentic restaurant called Khawaja Nasruddin in Bukhara to taste the pilof here and see how it differs from the Samarkand pilof. Come along and join me in this venture and let's go and taste pilof together. The restaurants around the area to eat. It's a nice place to chill. Guys, it's the change of restaurant. Actually, the one we were sitting at, I think is the most popular place in Bukhara. And there were like 10, Jeff, how many? About 10 waiters walking around, sitting on a table, laughing about. We waited about 10 minutes and before we even got the menu. Then we got the menu and we told them that we are ready to order. They took about 15-20 minutes more and I would say we are ready to order and he'll walk away and don't come back. Then we ask somebody else, he walk away and don't come back. So if service is that bad, I don't want to be waiting there for food. So we just left that place and we have just come to another place to have our lunch. So there we are, empty restaurant. Yes, usually we say eat at the busiest place so you know their food is good, but you know what, that busy place, I think they were big-headed, so we didn't eat there. So let's see how this food turns out to be. I've ordered a pilav and a full chicken and mojito, so let's see how it is. I'm gonna call it cucumber salad. He said a similar name to this salad. I don't know what it is. That is the pilav. The mojito and the bread. We are waiting for the chicken. So taste test for the pilav in Bukhara. It's quite nice. It got carrots, it got peppers, it got kishmish in there as well. I prefer this one than what I actually had in Samarkand. I have to say it's quite nice. Okay, they have meat and they have these pieces of fat in as well. I have become a big fan of the pilav in Uzbekistan. As you all know, pilav is the national dish in Uzbekistan. Like biryani, if you know, biryani comes from all different, it comes in different variations in different regions and everybody thinks theirs is the best, but you have to try them all and see which one is according to your taste buds. Same with pilav, in every region you'll find it a bit different, similar but different taste. So I've tasted one in Samarkand, tasted one in Bukhara, and inshallah we'll taste one in Khiva and Tashkent as well. Bon appetit. Different than our pilav, but nice. Maybe I should make that variation at home, putting the carrots and peppers and a bit of kishmish. Kishmish ko English mein kya kehte hain? Raisins. Just make the botiyan, just shred the meat and make it into a pilav. Innit? Here's the chicken.
It's fried as well, isn't it?
It's fried chicken and it comes with that sauce. It's tomatoes and chilies. You do not eat fried chicken in England, but like this is fried and honestly it's a different level. It's so tasty. There's not much meat on it because it's small, nice little chicken, and we do like our small chickens because we think you get more taste if it's a smaller chicken. Nice. And I've enjoyed my pilav. I'm gonna say 8 out of 10 for this food. Prices are reasonable as well, aren't they? And here is the bill for our food. 130,000 which is like £10. Just £10 for all that food. That was nice though. I enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more from Uzbekistan and beyond.